I know. We chop it. Keep it in another side. Chop it. We keep it in another side. Chop it. We keep it in another side.
Yes.
Okay, everyone. You have to follow me. Okay, everyone. Okay, we don't need this for now. I'll keep this onion on this board.
Slowly, gently.
Why to do slowly? Put all of this here. Let's keep it to the side.
Like this.
Okay, I know. My mommy doll. Okay, I know.
You're taking it too close to your fingers? Yes. Better.
I'm very bad at this.
No, baby, you are good at it. It's just that you need some guidance. Keep it.
You have to pour the oil, okay, everybody? Don't steal it, okay? Not oil, I'm very sorry, but okay. Oh no, oh Jesus. Nice. I'm adding the onions. What's this? I'm trying to fry that up, okay? Oh, this will be so awesome. Right, the next fire.
I'll tell you how to do it. See?
Okay, calm down. And you want to see the hoopla? Hoopla! We'll add some water. Now we are going to add Madi Basama.
Good.
I'm a very funny boy. Why shall I add?
Okay.
You're going to add the noodles, Madi. This is the Madi, okay? It looks like a snake wrapped around all pieces. Oh, that can be so good at you. Now, let's not drop down and let's not waste our time. Mommy's dad is ready.
Is it for me?
No,
Then
it's for me.
can we share?
No.
Please.
Okay. There's a lot of noodles. So we can share. See you later.